Dear parents of Primary 5 children, with weighted assessments or WA replacing the SA1 mid-year examinations, many parents are relieved that their children have one less exam to prepare for. But there is a disadvantage that quite a few parents highlight to me, that they are now more worried and stressed as there is now no more mid-year checkpoint to gauge the child's ability. Worse still, some parents reveal that with SA1 gone, the Term 4 exam could account for over 70% of their grades for the entire year. If something were to go wrong during that year-end paper, and for math, which could be tricky for some students, their grade for the whole year could get severely affected. Hi, I'm Teacher Sandra from Math Nuggets. So if you would like to take action to address the learning gaps that your child may have for math before the end of the year, I have something for you this June school holidays. Join me for the Primary 5 Mid-Year Intensive Bootcamp.
At Math Nuggets, I've learned fractions, angles, and word problems.
Math Nuggets has helping me by my problem sums and fractions because I was very weak in them in my math, and I think that I'm more confident in them right now.
Math Nuggets have helped me since then in modeling questions and algebra. Each question she did with me, I find it very interesting and easier to do with each tips she gave me.
So what will your child be getting during the 3 days of Mid-Year Intensive Bootcamp? Well, we will be revising important topics such as whole numbers, fractions, and ratio, and your child will master concepts such as more than, less than, equal stage, assumption, sets, units times value, remainder concept, repeated identity, difference unchanged, total unchanged, and gaps and differences. The bootcamp will help address and bridge any learning gaps your child may have well before the end of year exams. At the end of the 3 days, she will become more confident, competent, and be able to solve problem sums independently. Lessons will be conducted online via Zoom. All lessons will be recorded and you will have access to the replays. Do not let this precious June holidays go to waste. Visit the link below to discover more about the Primary 5 Mid-Year Intensive Bootcamp now before all the seats are taken up.